Welcome back to Learning Football with Santosh Kashyap, former Indian footballer, Mahindra United player, and FIFA and AFC instructor. The previous video went on to explore set plays for attacking. Be sure to watch it in case you haven't, as this session builds on that.
Hi guys, this is Santosh Kashyap. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Football with me. So today we are going to play set plays attacking, all about free kick and penalty kicks. So you have seen that it's very thrilling when you score the goal from free kicks, and in penalties it take a lot of concentration, lot of confidence to take the penalty kick. A lot of pressure is happen, sometimes depending on the final kick about the game result, and that some of the teams in win World Cups and lose World Cup in penalties if they miss. So it's very important part. I have my friend Mr. Dhavendra with me, who's helping me, great help. So let's begin guys, come on. Yes, so goalkeeper on the goal, take one ball each. We'll see who's the best free kick taker here. Place it and on the signal start. Okay, so imagine that in top of the box you get the free kick. Okay, so we'll see. We'll start from Joel. Play. Good save. Wait for my signal. Yeah, let the goalkeeper stand. Yeah, play. Good, okay. Play. Good, play. Good shot, whoa. Play. Okay. Yes, play Bhavish. Good shot, good save. Good one. Okay. Okay. Whoa! The best one till now, Samuel. Okay, good one. Okay, give me the ball, please. So, guys, in free kick, it's very important that you have to first concentrate. So, you just guys coming and kicking the ball in any direction. So, you have to come, place the ball, then distance is very important. Sometimes you if you stay too close and kick, you won't get the force. So, you have to little away and little diagonal. If you stay straight, you will cover only one angle. Otherwise, you want to kick this side, it will go out. So, slightly across and diagonal. And now, watch the ball, concentrate. Watch the target where I want to hit. And then again, watch the ball. And then try to play. Place it. Boop. Give me. So, concentration and technique are very important. So, again, keep the ball. I watch the ball. Watch the target. Watch the ball. And now, play it. See, it will go on the target. So, it's very important. Okay? And then after that, follow up also very important. We'll see now. So, you have to imagine there is a wall in front of you. That will progress to next part of the exercise. But you have to imagine that wall in the front, you have to play above the ball and try to score. Okay? We'll start from Joel. Whoa! Good one and good save. Wonderful. Big hand, well done. Very nice. Yes, Samuel. Okay. Okay, no concentration, lack of technique. Wow! The best one, another best one. Well done, Alan. Come on, Uday. Good one. Oh my God, it's a fumble. See, goalkeeper lost. So, this is all about, I was telling. See, he is the last man. So, if one side, 1 second of moment of concentration lose, concede goal. So, it's very important that goalkeeper every moment, every second, he has to stay alert. It's okay. 2 parts. So now we move to next part of this exercise. We introduce the wall. So now they are defenders and we'll see how they can score above the wall. Okay. So yes, 10 yards. Okay. So goalkeeper has to take a decision where you want the ball, this side or that side. So where is the ball? See, there is the ball. Wait. Only this ball now. One ball at a time. One ball at a time. So now we are kicking from here. So you have to see that, yes, the ball should be there, little far, yes. Okay. So now you have a choice. So now he has a choice. You want to kick above the ball and in this corner, or the goalkeeper is there. It's your choice. We'll see that. So play. Okay. Yes, go. You take. Play. Whoa, good one. Oh, well done. Good try. Good try. Well done. Very nice. So you can see that he's concentrate and almost hit the target if a little low. It's okay. Play. Yes, good. Still they are in rush, very much in hurry. I want you to concentrate, take time. So watch the ball, watch the target. There is no hurry. Then watch the ball again and then go for. Understand? So if you concentrate well, definitely you can hit the target and score goal. So play. No, now you are too close. That's why I said you should not stay too close or too far. So you won't get the power. So you have to see that. Now see the ball, see the where you want to hit, then see the ball, and now go. Yes, now see, this is the technique, another part. So he wants to chip the ball. How can you score the goal? So you have to, give me the ball. So you have to, inner part of the foot, you have to in swing. So that's important part. Wait. So now I have to hit. So I watch the ball, watch the target, watch the ball. Now I am ready, and then I try to swing. Boop. Understand? Come on, do it. So try to swing the ball. Yeah, that's better. Well done. Very nice. But if it's lower, you definitely get the goal. Play. Good. Very nice. Play. Okay. Good. Very good. So, very good decision. See, it's also, you must also seen, it's always on the wall they will jump. So if like Bhavish has very intelligently tried to shot from the ground shot, so you also get goals in such situations. So you can try all these tricks. Very creative, very nice. Play. Okay. So the concentration was there, but the lack of technique. So technique also very, very important. So try to swing the ball. Try to swing the ball. Play. Whoa! Well done. Very nice. A little lower, it could achieve. So guys, this is the part 1 of set plays attacking, free kick. Now we'll progress to penalty kicks and let's see. Okay guys, now we'll move to set plays attacking. Penalty kicks, very, very important. You have seen many win and losses depending on the penalty kicks, because you have to handle with lot of pressure and techniques and confidence. You have to do it. So let's begin. Okay guys, start penalties. Yo. Hey. No. Let him 3-4. Let him handle. Whoa, good one. Good shot, good save. Good. Behind in the line. Yes. Okay. Good. Very good. Everybody took. He's last. Good. Okay, guys. So you have some of them taken good penalty. So it's again is all about confidence. It's all about confidence and concentration, and then technique. So it's very, very important. You should place the ball. Okay. Concentrate while keeping the ball. Then again, the diagonal is the how you can straight or across. That's also position is very important. So always you can come straight and come diagonal. Why? Because if you go straight, if you want to this target, it mostly go out. So you will get only one angle. So experienced goalkeeper know he's going to hit this side. But if I'll take one step here, so now I'll get both the angles. So this is the very, very important part of how you take position. Now again, distance is very important part. Some of them stay close and try to kick. Some they stay far and try to run and come. So it's up to you how you feel comfortable. Understand? So now after body position across, you have to, this distance is very important. Now is concentrate. So now some of you, we decided to kick either left side or right side, is your decision. Okay, because goalkeeper also think I'll go left or this side. Or sometime you have to see while kicking before with the experience and practice that which side is goalkeeper, I will hit other side. So you can decide that way. Okay, so another very important part is confidence. You have to be brave and wait for the whistle. Don't be in a hurry rush. So I'll place the ball. Oop. And I came and take diagonal. Now I'm concentrate. I can see the goalkeeper. See. So he went that side. I have seen him last second. If you keep little head up, so you can see the goalkeeper is moving that side. And I can play that side. Another side. Second thing, if you feel very much under pressure, high pressure, so like somebody did, so bang it like this. When you feel the low on confidence, to try to bang and shot. Okay, so we'll see again. Wow, well done, very nice, well done. Okay. Okay, good. He was confident. Sure, concentrate also, but technique is the concern. He keep the head height and so have you seen, guys? So he excellently keep the ball, he concentrate also very nicely, and look the goalkeeper position also, but technique is the concern. He went and kicked the ball, but so that's why you have to keep upper portion of the body on the ball. So if you go, ball go low. Understand? So no problem. Good, Sati. Okay, next. See, same. Another same. Now how he came, play. He came and he keep the ball like this. So no concentration. And then he move in hurry. So always keep concentrate. Hop, 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 hop. When force is there, he will not able to stop. Yeah, next. So concentration and confidence is very, very important, guys. Good, okay, good save. Goalkeeper change. Oh, good save, well done. So he's concentrate very well, took his time, but that force was not there. There should be a force behind the ball, so he's not able to stop. Use hand, yes. Jaldi nahi hai, take time. Yes. Wow, well done, very nice. So guys, this is all about penalties. So it needs lot of practice, guys. Lot of practice. You have to practice lot. Be confident, concentrate, techniques, all factors happen. So in practice, some of them they do fantastic in penalties and free kicks. But when match pressure handle, lot of public, crowd, the stadium is packed, so it's definitely pressure come, and then you will do lot of mistakes. So it's all about how you practice and become better player and win the matches for your team. So this is all about set plays attacking. Hope you're enjoying and liking and learning. So keep repeating, keep watching, share this video with your friends, like this video and subscribe to our channel. And we'll come back to another episode with you learning football with Santosh Kashyap. Thank you and goodbye for now.